Unsecured loan resources, fast funding options for shaky personal credit. For individuals seeking unsecured loans as quickly as the next business day, despite having poor credit, there are 7 primary resources available. 6 of these companies utilize a no-ding system, meaning they perform a soft credit pull initially to check for eligibility. This allows you to view preliminary terms and approval amounts without impacting your credit score. A hard inquiry only occurs if you choose to move forward with the full application after receiving a pre-approval. While many applicants with shaky credit may qualify for amounts between $5,000 and $10,000, those with stronger profiles could potentially access upwards of $60,000, depending on the specific lender and state of residency. The first 3 resources, Upstart, Avant, and Upgrade, are particularly well suited for those looking to fund a business or a side hustle. Upstart and Upgrade are notably geared toward business purposes, making them ideal for entrepreneurs who need a small injection of capital, such as $5,000 to $10,000, to launch an internet company or similar low-overhead venture. These lenders provide a streamlined way to acquire startup funds without the immediate risk of a hard credit inquiry during the exploration phase. If you're in a position where you need quick cash to get a professional project off the ground, these 3 should be your first points of contact. If your funding needs are more personal, such as covering rent or emergency living expenses, Universal and Lending Club are viable options. Universal offers loans ranging from $5,000 to $50,000, though the higher end is reserved for those with better credit. Lending Club typically prefers higher credit scores, often rejecting those below a 550 FICO, but they still offer the benefit of a soft pull to check pre-qualification. For those with truly atrocious credit, Best Egg is often the most lenient. While you likely will not qualify for their $50,000 maximum, you may still secure a few $1,000s to $5,000 based on your mid-FICO score. Best Egg is frequently cited as a favorite for its willingness to work with difficult credit profiles. The 7th and most recommended resource is Navy Federal Credit Union. Although they require a hard credit pull immediately upon application, they're considered one of the most lenient and beneficial lenders in the country. Membership requires a military affiliation, which can include grandparents or siblings. Often, the verification process for family history is straightforward and may not require extensive documentation of deceased relatives. To begin, you can establish an account with a $5 pledge loan. After a 1 to 2 week identification period, you can apply for unsecured loans or credit cards. Because it is a credit union, the terms and conditions are usually superior to traditional banks. It is vital to remember that these resources are tools for rebuilding and reestablishing financial standing, not for incurring debt that will not be repaid. Navy Federal, in particular, is a relationship you should never jeopardize, as being blacklisted by them is often permanent. Successful credit building requires a commitment to paying all loan installments and credit card statements on time. By starting with a simple $5 account and moving toward unsecured products, you could begin the journey towards stellar credit. Have you checked your eligibility with a soft pull lender today to see what your options are?